Okay, so good evening again.
Magandang
Welcome to our
gabi po
town
sa inyong
hall.
lahat. Ito
My
po
name is
yung
Swanee
town hall
Cho,
namin. Ako
and
po si
joining
Swanee
me as
Cho.
well are
At
additional
nandito
members of our
din
SFTP Plus
yung
team,
SFTP
Rachel
team
Hyatt,
natin, si
Amy
Rachel
Thompson,
Hyatt, Amy
Martin
Thompson,
Reyes,
at si Martin
Daniela
Reyes,
Rible,
Daniela
Rebecca Banos
Rible,
Conde, and our
Rebecca
community
Banos
engagement
Contine,
consultant,
at saka yung consultant
Abraham
natin,
Ballin.
si
So
Abraham
we're here
Ballin.
today to talk through the SFTP Plus
Nandito po kami
plan in
para
three
ito yung
sections.
plano sa tatlong
The plan
bahagi.
purpose, changes
Yung
in travel patterns, and
layunin,
the
yung
long-range
pagbago
investment
ng
strategy.
at saka
Then we'd
yung
like to
matagal na
discuss
investment
priorities.
estratehiya. Pagkatapos ng papag-usapan natin yung
I'm
mga
going to pause a little
prioridad
bit for
niya.
the interpreters. So what is the San Francisco Transportation
Ano ba
Plan?
yung plano ng San Francisco Transportasyon?
Briefly, it is the 30-year investment plan for our transportation revenues. It is
Ito
one of
yung
the
sa
Transportation
ito
Authority's
yung
core
transportasyon, ito
responsibilities,
ang sa
and our
responsibilidad ng
SFTP
otoridad
is coordinated
at
as
saka yung
required
SFTD
with the
ay
Regional
koordinaryo
Plan Bay
dun
Area.
sa Bay Area ng plano.
These are the goals we
Ito
strive
yung
to
layunin
achieve with
natin na
SFTP.
makamit natin sa
These goals were
SFTP.
developed together
Ito
4
na
years ago,
buo ito
working with
mga ilang taon
SFMTA
dun
and
sa
the Planning
SFMTA
Department
at
and
saka
with
yung Departamento ng
significant
Pagplano
community
at
input.
saka ito pagpapasok ng komunidad.
Our current effort is a focused update driven by changes in travel trends
Ito yung
and by reductions
pagbabago
in revenue
at saka
projections.
yung
We're in the first round of public engagement
ito sa
now,
unang
seeking to hear
public
your
engagement
priorities for the
natin.
transportation system.
Ito
We'll come
yung
back to
pagplano
you with
nito.
scenarios and options for consideration
Ito
later
yung
this year.
consideration natin.
And the final report will be
Ito yung
adopted by the
pinakahuling report ay
Transportation Authority Board.
ikakamit ng lupon ng transportasyon.
Next, we'll talk about present-day travel trends and needs.
Ito ang kinakailangan sa paglalakbay.
Here's a summary of how things have
Ito ang
changed the
buod
last
ng
few
paano
years.
nagbago itong
The
mga ilang
biggest change
taon.
is the
Yung
drop in
pinakamalaking
travel.
pagbago ay
41% fewer
yung
trips
pagbaba
to,
ng
from, and
pagbiyahe
within San Francisco.
dun sa loob ng
We
San
also
Francisco
see
ay
that
bumaba
regional
din.
transit
Nakita
trips
natin
are
yung
down.
mga
San
pagbabiyahe sa
Francisco's
transit,
population and
yung
jobs have
populasyon at
declined.
saka yung
We're
trabaho ay
clearly in a
bumaba din,
downturn moment.
nabawasan.
However, we know that there
Pero
always
alam
ups and
natin ngayon
downs,
na
and it's important
tumataas,
we do the
bumababa at
planning now for a
importante
healthy
na magplano
recovery.
tayo para sa pagbubuti.
Many factors influence this
Ito
drop
ang
in
mga
travel.
faktor na
One of those is that
yung
more
isa
people
ay
are working from
karamihan ng
home.
tao ay nagtatrabaho sa
On a typical
bahay.
weekday,
Ito
almost
isang
3 times as many
Lunes,
San
Biyernes, tatlong
Franciscans work from
beses ng
home
San Francisco ay
as
nagtatrabaho
compared
sa
to
bahay ay
2019.
kumpara noong 2019.
How and where people work
Kung
is
saan ay
something we know
nagtatrabaho,
is
ito
evolving, and we're
ang
following this trend
nagbabago
as it
ay sinusunod
changes.
natin itong pag nagbabago.
Here's more detail on how
Ito po
people are
ang iba pang
traveling.
detalye
Many
kung
people
paano
who used to
nagbabiyahe ang
commute to work
tama
on transit every day are now working from home
ay
at
nagtatrabaho
least some of
dito
the
sa
time, which has impacted transit ridership.
ay
The
nakakaapekto ng
share of people taking transit has gone down, while the share
ay
of people
bumaba
driving
din
alone has gone up.
ay tumaas
We
din.
note also that
Alam
part of the
natin
reason for
yung
fewer transit
parte
trips
kasi mas
is that there was
mababa
less
ang
transit
pagbiyahe
service on
kasi
the street
yung
in
serbisyo sa
2023 than in
transportasyon ay bumaba
2019.
noong 2023 kaysa sa 2019.
We investigated travel trends
Investigahan
by
namin
income group
yung
so
nangyayari
we can
sa
understand how to support our most
pagbabiyahe doon sa
vulnerable
mga grupo
residents.
ng
We found
para
the biggest
malaman
changes in
natin kung
travel
yung
behavior among the
pinaka-vulnerable yung
lowest
mga
income San
residente,
Franciscans,
yung pinakamahirap ay
defined as
mas
people
mababa
here whose
ay
household
dito
income is
yung
$75,000 or
kita ay
less.
$75,000 o
Since
kulang.
2019, this group
Mula noong
started to drive
2019,
more
itong
and use
grupo ay
ride-hail
nagmamaneho
services
at
like
saka
Uber and Lyft
gumagamit ng
more
Uber at Lyft
and to walk and
at saka
take transit
naglalakad
less.
din at saka
We know
hindi
through
na
census
nagbabiyahe
data
sa
that people in the
transportasyon.
lower income
Alam
groups are
natin sa
much less likely to
datos ng
work from home.
census na
So
hindi
it's
sila
even
nagtatrabaho
more
sa
important that
bahay
they have
at
affordable
importante
transportation
na
options
abot
and
kayang
don't have to
opsyon ng
rely on car to get
transportasyon
around.
para
The
hindi
goal is for
sila
everyone to
umaasa sa
choose the
kotse.
most comfortable, affordable
Gamitin lang ang
option.
pinakakomportabling opsyon.
Another critical issue
Yung
that
isa
we're facing
pang
today is the
critical na
transit
issue
physical
ay
cliff.
yung
We're
itong
working collaboratively with
nagtatrabaho
SFMTA
kami
on planning
kasama ang
packages
SFMTA
through the
para sa
Muni Funding
pagpapondo ng
Working
mga
Group to
pakete
address Muni's needs.
para sa
And
mga
we're also
kinakailangan
working
ng
with
Muni
MTC and other
at saka sa
counties on the
MTC din
design
at
of a
ibang
potential
county
regional
para sa
measure to address
pagdisenyo
the
ng
issue.
regional measure.
We all know there's
Alam
significant risk of
natin
major service
may
transit
panganib
revenues don't materialize in the near term.
no kung hindi ito
However, because
mangyari
this
sa
is our
pinakamalapit na
long-range
termino.
plan,
Kasi
we
ito
assume that
ang
we'll
plano
find solutions for
namin,
this immediate
makakahanap kami ng
crisis
solusyon
and
dito sa
that revenues
crisis
will
na
be
ito.
available to
At
maintain
saka meron
transit
kaming
service in
kita para may
2025
mga
levels.
serbisyo ng pagtransportasyon sa antas ng 2020.
With all this updated data on travel
Sa ngayon,
trends, we
meron tayong
forecast
bagong
what the city
datos.
will look like in
Ito ang
2050.
makikita natin sa
Our projections
2050.
must align with
Ang
those in the
projection natin
regional
ay
plan,
dapat
which
pantay
forecasts
din
more
sa
people
plano
and
ng
jobs in San
regional
Francisco and the Bay
na mas
Area.
maraming
So
trabaho
while
at
we lost
residente sa
population
San
recently,
Francisco.
we know San Francisco is
Alam
an
ko kung nawalan
attractive
kami
place
ng
to live and work.
populasyon,
The city has bounced back from
ay
economic downturns and even major earthquakes.
ay
We anticipate a
tumalbog kami
healthy
sa mga
recovery, which
lindol
is
at
why we're
saka
planning for a future transportation network
pagbubuti
to
yung
support a
dahilan na
vibrant
yung
city.
network ng transportasyon para masuporta itong lungsod na ito.
So here's a comparison of
Ito
congestion
ang
in
pagkumpara
2023
ng
and 2050.
pagsisikip sa
Red indicates where
2020
there are
at
more vehicles than
2050.
the roadway
Ang
is
pula ang
designed to
mas
handle.
marami.
In 2050, without
Yung sa
additional
2050,
investment,
kung
the
wala pang
roadway network,
pagbabagong
particularly the
investment,
freeways,
yung
will
mga
be at
riles
or
at
above
saka yung
capacity, meaning more congestion and
sa
slower
higit sa
speeds.
kapasidad,
You can see
mas
the change
mabagal
with the
ang
Bay Bridge
pagbabiyahe.
and Highway
Nakita
101,
nyo yung
where it
pagbabago sa
becomes
Bay Bridge
almost
at Highway
completely red in
101
both directions,
na
while we
pula
start to
sa
see spots
parehong
on the west side
direksyon
get
at
more
nakikita
congested.
natin na mas masikip dun
This
sa
requires
west side.
attention because it
Ang
impacts our
kailangan
ability to
natin ng
support economic
atensyon kasi
vitality, livability,
maapektuhan ang
and
pagsuporta
sustainability
natin
of the
sa
city and region.
lungsod at sa rehiyon.
And here's a comparison of
Ito
crowding
ang
on transit.
pagkumpara ng
Here
pagsisikip sa
too, without a shift
transportasyon.
in
Ito
investment,
din, kung hindi
buses and
nagbago
trains
ang
will get more
investment,
crowded.
mas masisikip
Crowded
ang mga
transit
bus
is
at
uncomfortable,
tren,
of course,
hindi
and it
komportable,
contributes to
at
delays and
saka at
unreliability, which
pag-antala
in
at saka
turn impact
liabilidad
the
at
economic vitality,
nakakaapekto
livability, and equity of our city.
ang ekwidad ng ating lungsod.
In all,
Sa
if
lahat,
our travel patterns
kung
continue as they are,
tuloy-tuloy
and
pa ang
without
patterns
further
natin sa
investments,
pagbabiyahe at
our
walang pagbagong
transportation network
investment,
will not function well,
hindi
and we will
uubra
fall
ang
further
network
from
ng
our goals
transportasyon
like
natin
safety,
at mawawala
livability, and
natin ang
equity.
layunin
We need to
natin.
invest in our systems
Kailangan tayo
strategically
mag-invest
to make San
sa
Francisco a place where everyone can
para
travel
ito
in
ay
whatever
pwede
mode they
magbiyahe
choose,
kung ano
comfortably
ang
and
gusto
safely.
nila na komportable at maligtas.
So now we shift to the
Sa
investment
ngayon,
strategy to
ililipat natin
address
yung
these
estratehiya
challenges.
ng investment para sa itong mga hamon.
Overall, we're seeing a 12%
Sa lahat,
drop in
nakita
revenues over the
natin
next 30
yung
years. We expect revenues from federal, state, and regional sources to
bababa
remain about the
na
same.
ang regional,
The current administration
pero
is
sa
creating a
ngayon,
lot
ang
of uncertainty, but
administrasyon
we
ay
maintain these
maraming
projections over the
hindi
long term.
pagsigurado.
Where we see
Ang
significantly
nakikita
lower
natin na
revenues is
mas
locally in San
mababang
Francisco,
kita
shown
ay
in
sa San
pink.
Francisco.
San
Nakikita
Francisco is
natin sa
lagging in
pink.
recovery as compared to the region because we've been hit particularly
Kasi
hard by
natamaan
our work from
kami
home trends and the
ng
resulting drop in
at yung
transit and other frequent
pagresulta, yung
revenue.
pagbaba ng
We
pagsakay
do want to note
ng mga
here
o
that we're
pagbiyahe.
including
Pero
some new revenues from
kasama dito,
potential
merong
ballot measures
pagbabagong
in the investment plan shown in
balota
the blue
na
hedge. And
nakita ko sa
again,
plano
these
na
projections are consistent with the
asul.
regional projections. Our investment plan is now
Ang plano
expected to be
natin sa
about $70
ngayon
billion.
ay mga
Most of this,
70
about
billion na
$60 billion,
dolyar.
is committed to
60
specific
billion
projects and
ay
uses,
pinangako sa mga
when roughly $10
proyekto
billion
at
is
pagbabago
discretionary.
at
In addition,
discretionary
we
yung
continue
10
to show
milyon
approximately $15
at
billion
itutuloy
for the
natin na
Vision Plan.
15 billion dolyar ay para sa
Vision Plan
planong
funds are
vision.
potential new funds we could see
Itong
over 30
bagong
years.
pondo
These would
nakita
be new
natin
revenues
sa
from other sources,
ito
potentially
maaring
future ballot
bago
measures, private
sa balota
contributions, or other
o bagong
sources.
kontribusyon
We
o
want to
ibang
prepare now for
pangkukunan.
how we would use
Gusto
these
natin
new funds
maghanda
to
na
improve
yon
our
para
transportation
paano natin
future.
gagamitin ang mga pondo na ito.
So given lower
So dahil mas
revenue
mababa ang
projections,
projection
we
at
need to
saka sa
adjust our
kita,
investment
kailangan
plan.
natin i-invest ang plano
Following the
natin.
region's approach, we first
Yung sa
prioritize transit operations to maintain
nagiging prioridad
2023 service
ang
levels.
para
This is
sa
the
antas
biggest
ng
category of
2023, ito
spending,
ang
over 60% of our
pinamakalaking
plan
kategorya ng
enterprise.
paggastos
Then we
natin
fund
sa plano
maintenance
natin.
projects for transit
Pagkatapos
and
may
roadways to
mga
keep buses
proyektong
running and
maintenance
roads free of
para sa mga
potholes.
bus at kung
By
walang
keeping
sira ang mga
facilities and
daan,
equipment in a state of
yung
good
mga
repair,
gamit at
we can
naayos ang
extend their
kagamit
useful
at
life and
mga
save money in the long
pasilidad,
term.
magtitipid tayo ng
We
pera
could
sa
spend every
katagalan.
dollar we have on those two
Huwag natin
categories.
gasusin yung pera sa
However, we're
dalawang
going to
kategorya
reserve
na
some
yun,
discretionary funds for other spending
pero
categories.
gagawin natin yung ibang kategorya din.
And I'll go quickly
At
here.
saka
The
bibilisin ko
major
dito yung
categories of
pinamalaking
investments.
kategorya ng investments.
Safer and complete streets.
So,
This is
yung
project flags with
nakumpletong
traffic calming, daylighting, and pedestrian improvements
ay
to
yung sa
improve safety and
pagbubuti ng
livability.
improvements at saka sa
We have
pagbubuti.
major transit projects.
Meron kaming
This
mga
includes
malaking
major
proyekto
transformation
ng
projects like the
transportasyon,
portal and
halimbawa sa
capacity improvements for
portal at saka
Barton
yung
Muni.
kapasidad.
These projects improve and expand our overall transit network and make it easier to get around.
At ako, mas madali na
Freeway
magbiyahe
management.
yung sa
This includes
paghalta
projects
ng
that
freeway.
address safety and
Kasama
operations without
ito
adding
yung
capacity.
pagtakbo na hindi
Projects might
nagdadagdag
include
ng
redesigns
kapasidad
of interchanges
at
or
saka yung
study of
ibagong
HOV
disenyo
lanes,
ng HOV
ways to help
lanes,
people move,
paano sila
ways to help move people more
kikilos ang
efficiently.
mga tao na mas
This category
mahusay.
also includes projects that help protect our
Kasama din ang
transportation
kategorya dito
infrastructure
para
against the effects of climate change.
sa epekto ng pagbabago ng klima.
Finally,
Sa
the
wakas,
transportation system
yung
management and planning
sistema
category funds a
ng
variety of measures
transportasyon
that help
ay
us
maraming
achieve our goals. It includes planning efforts both citywide and
ito
at the
ang
neighborhood
sa buong
level,
lungsod at sa
especially in equity
buong
priority communities.
sa mga komunidad.
Climate-related projects
Ito
like
yung sa
electrification
proyekto ng mga
and
kuryente
education and travel
at saka
incentive
edukasyon
programs
at
to get more people to
paglakbay
choose transit or biking
para
or walking.
pumili ng
The fourth
transportasyon.
bucket in this
Yung
category is
ikaapat
what we
na,
call system
ito
management
ang
technologies,
system management
making our system
technologies.
more efficient, more user-friendly, and
Ito
affordable.
para mas maabot at mas
This is
magamit
a
at
fairly
mas
small
abot
category,
kaya.
but it is
Maliit itong
cost-effective
kategorya,
in terms of
pero
making our transportation
mahusay ito
system
sa
more equitable,
gastos
safer, and supportive of economic
at
growth.
masuporta yung sa susulong ng ekonomiya.
Next, we invite
Yung sunod,
everyone to
kinukumbida
open up
natin
this
ang
survey
lahat
we just posted
buksan
in the
itong
chat.
survey na
There are
nakasa chat
versions in
na,
English,
itong
Spanish,
bersyon sa
Cantonese, and
Ingles,
Filipino.
Espanyol, Incheck at Pilipino-Tagalog.
There are three short questions
Tatlong
from what you've
katanungan
heard,
dito
and
ang
we're hoping
narinig
everyone will
ninyo.
fill out the survey so we can hear from all of you.
So, pwede niyong
I see
gawin
the
itong
survey
survey para
links just
malig
went in the
natin.
chat.
Nandun yung mga link para sa survey nasa chat na.
We're trying to reach as many people as
Gusto
possible in
naming
this
abutin
round
yung
of outreach. We have
maraming
another
tao
town
dito sa,
hall
meron
scheduled
kaming
for
isang
Saturday
town hall
where we'll
sa
present the same
Sabado.
content.
Ipepresenta natin yung
Please share
parehong
the town hall
content.
information and
I-share
survey
nyo
with
yung
your friends and
impormasyon, ang
family.
survey dun sa
We will
pamilya at
use all the
kaibigan
feedback
ninyo.
we get to shape our
Gagamitin
draft
natin
investment
lahat ng
scenarios,
feedback
which we'll share publicly in our next
na
round of outreach.
ibabahagi natin ng publiko sa sunod na outreach natin.
Thank you so much for
Salamat
joining
sa inyong
today.
lahat na sumali kayo.
We will now
Sa ngayon,
take some questions, and I see
meron na
some
kaming katanungan,
questions,
meron na
I think,
mga
in the
katanungan
chat.
sa chat.
And for those in the
So para sa
language
inyo, kung
channels, we can take questions from
pwede din
those
kaming kumuha ng mga katanungan sa Tagalog. Isulat niyo po yung mga Tagalog sa chat. Sasagutin natin yun mamaya.
Okay, so I will stop sharing.
So
We
tapos
can
na ang
go
pag-share
back to the
ko.
slides if we want.
Babalik tayo sa slides kung kailangan natin.
Okay, looks like the questions are in the
So
chat.
yung katanungan nasa chat na.
Okay, so there's a question
Okay.
about where is the
So may
money
katanungan,
coming
saan
from,
ba
Prop
galing ang
L
pera,
or what
yung
else?
Prop L o ano pa?
So I'll give the
ito ang ibibigay kong
interpreters a minute.
ng isang minuto ang mga tagapagsalin.
These are transportation funds
Itong
we
mga
expect
pondo
for the
galing
next
sa
30 years. So
transportasyon na
Prop L is
ibibigay sa
part
atin
of the
sa sunod na 20
story, but
years.
it's actually a relatively small pot. It includes all of our funding from
Sa
federal,
itong pondo
state,
sa
and
federal, sa
regional
estado
sources.
at mga makukunan ng
Like
regional,
formula funding we get for transit
ito
operations is
ang
included.
operasyon ng transportasyon
And as
ay
I mentioned,
kasama din.
other sort of potential
At yung nabanggit ko na, yung iba pang potensyal
ballot
na
measures to address the
sa
fiscal
mga
cliff is included.
ang kasama
And,
doon yung sa fiscal cliff
other, sort
at
of
saka
state,
yung iba pang
funds. So like cap and trade funds
pagpopondo,
that we get for
cap and trade na
transportation
pondo.
projects. So it's
So
it's sort of
ito
all of the
ang
transportation dollars that
dun
we
sa lahat
expect
ng
to see.
dolyar na matatanggap natin.
Hope that answered your question.
Sana nasagot na yung tanong mo.
How did we come up with the
Paano
multiple choice
ba yung multiple
options in the
choice na
survey?
option dun sa survey?
Those
Yun
are
ay
choices that we think
yung
translate
mga
to the different
option
spending
na
categories.
ito iba-ibang
So
kategorya.
in question 2,
So pangalawang katanungan,
the options for the
yung option
priorities
ng prioridad ay may kaugnayan dun sa mga kategorya. So halimbawa, kung interesado kayo sa system management na teknolohiya, halimbawa,
that would suggest that you would
dun
prioritize
ay yung
the
prioridad,
last option.
yung
There's also,
pinahuling option.
options
Meron
in
din
the survey
option
that
dun sa
correspond
survey
to other spending categories that
na
I
dun
just
sa ibang
showed
kategorya
in
ng
the
paggagastos na
last
nakikita
part of the
natin dun sa
presentation.
pinakahuling bahagi ng presentasyon.
I also see a hand raised.
At saka meron ako nakikita na kamay na
One of
taas,
the members.
yung isang
So,
miyembro.
I'll go ahead and ask you.
So, yung tatanungin ko na mag-unmute kayo, pwede niyong tanungin ang katanungan ninyo.
Hi, thank you for the
Ay, salamat
presentation.
sa
I
presentasyon.
have a question
Meron
about
akong tanong
additional
tungkol
funding
sa
sources that might
karagdagang
be considered.
pagbabago na
Is
may
something
iisip.
to
Ito
raise
ba
revenues
ang
such as
para
congestion
tumaas ang
pricing or
kita ng
charging for
congestion
parking? Is that
pricing
something
at saka
that
sa
we're looking at
pagparada?
to
Yun ba ang
improve
isang
the
tinitignan
outlook?
natin para sa pagbubuti?
Generally, yes.
Oo.
I should give a minute for
Sandali,
interpretation
ito
of the
yung
question.
interpretasyon ng katanungan.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes,
Oo.
the vision
So
plan
yung
does
vision ng
assume,
plano ay
maybe I'm
iniisip
gonna turn it over to
dito.
Rachel because I'm not
Si
actually sure
Rachel
about the
ito, hindi
congestion
ako sigurado
pricing
yung congestion pricing
question.
na katanungan.
Hello, everyone. This is Rachel Hyatt.
Ako si Rachel Hyatt at saka ang aking visual na ang dito at saka ang audio ay galing sa ito ako.
This is an update.
So ito ang
to
isang
the plan that
pagbabago
our
o
board
ng update
adopted
ng
in
plano ng
2022, which was
noong
the major
2022 pa.
update. And this is, as
Ito
Swati
yung malaking
mentioned,
pagbabago.
an
Ang binanggit
update
ni
to
Swani,
that
update ito
major
dun
plan
sa
to account
plano
for the changes in
para
post-pandemic
i-account
travel
yung
behavior and in the drop in revenues.
at saka yung
Back
pagbagsak
when our
ng
board
kita.
adopted the 2022
Nung inadapt
plan,
ng board ng
we did
2022 plan,
look
ang
at
ginawa namin ay
congestion
tinignan
pricing
namin
as one
ay
of
sa
the
congestion
options
pricing ang
for
pinaka-isang option
helping achieve our
para
goals.
makatulong sa
That
ating
is a
layunin. Yun
concept
ay
that
isang
is
konsepto
included in
na
the
kasama
out
doon.
years of the plan. So the last 15 or
Yung
so years
pinakahuling
of the 30-year
15
plan.
taon ng 30 na taon na plano,
Now, certainly
ito ay
very
ay
ambitious idea and
ma-ambitious
very
ito.
complex idea, like congestion pricing, has a lot of work that would need to go
Pwede
into
yung
it, as well
sundan
as
ito,
community engagement,
itong
state
engagement ng
authorization,
komunidad,
and federal
ng
authorization
autorisasyon ng Estado
to
at ng
take place.
federal.
So that's the type of a concept that
Ito
would
ang
need its own
klaseng
study work and project development work
ito
to
para sa proyekto
become a
para
reality.
maging
If it
realidad.
were, it's not
Ito ay
a
hindi
concept that we are studying
konsepto na inaaral natin
at this time, nor do we
sa
have
ngayon
plans to study it.
o wala kaming plano para iaralan
It
ito.
is
Ito
identified
ay
in the long-range plan
nakatukoy dun sa
as
pinaka
a concept to
plano
look
ng
at
isang
within
konsepto
our
na titignan
toolbox for the
natin.
out years of the plan.
Thank you, Rachel.
Salamat, Rachel.
Looks like Griffin has his hand up.
Nakataas ang kamay ni Griffin.
Hi, everybody. Yeah, I do.
Oo.
In regards to the future planning, you mentioned potentially something
Meron kang
about
binanggit na tungkol sa
or population slowly increasing
yung sa pagtaas ng populasyon hanggang sa
The main mode of
2050.
transportation
Yung
today, or at least
transportasyon
I think
ngayon,
you mentioned we're seeing more driving happening in San Francisco. What would be why
ano
would we
pa,
consider
bakit pa natin iisipin na bawasan ang
automobile lanes, especially on the west side, if people are actually showing their main mode of preference to get around today is driving?
I can start the
pwede
answer to
natin
that.
simulain
Thanks for the
yung
question.
sagot dun. Salamat sa
I think
tanong.
we are seeing
Sa tingin ko,
driving
nagsisimula
go up,
yung
partly as a result of the pandemic.
tumataas bilang isang
And
resulta
what
ng
we're trying to
pandemya.
do is balance,
Ang ginagawa natin para
the
mabalanse
transportation options so
ang mga
that
opsyon
everyone
ng
has a choice,
transportasyon para
so
may
that,
mga opsyon ang
we
lahat ng tao.
don't have to have everyone rely on driving because it's sort of seen to be their only choice.
para hindi lang ang kanilang choice. Ang gusto natin
just as attractive as driving, so that everyone has a choice. We also know that the city is constrained, and so we're not in a position to build any more streets or lanes, and we have to make the streets work more efficiently and be able to move more people using the amount of space that we have. I think if we sort of continue on this trend, as you saw,
ituloy natin itong
congestion just would not be sustainable.
Hindi daw
You
masustain
would start
itong
to have
injection na ito.
gridlock, and nobody would be happy.
Hindi
So
masaya
I don't know,
kung ganun.
Rachel, if
Hindi
you
ko
wanted to add
alam
more to that.
kung gusto nyong idagdag yon.
Great. Okay, looks like Noah has a question.
So, may katanungan si Noah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oo,
just another
salamat.
question. The graphic that you
Yung
showed
grapiko na
showing
pinakita
increasing
ninyo,
congestion
yung pagtaas
was
ng
very
congestion,
interesting.
ito
And I'm
ay
also curious to know, I'd seen
nagtataka din
something
ako kasi meron akong
about
nakita
the
tungkol
removal
sa
of the 101 freeway
yung
spur to
pagtanggal
open
sa
up new
101
land for housing.
para merong
Is that
bagong,
something in
yung
terms
ba
of
ang
freeway
tungkol
removal
sa
that's being
freeway
considered?
na iniisip na mangyayari?
I think that will
Sa tingin
let
ko na
Rachel
yun
take that
ay
question.
si Rachel
Rachel's
ang
very close to
sasagot
that.
nun. Kasi malapit si Rachel
It
sa
is
ganun.
not.
Hindi.
So something that we are
So, yung
studying
isang
as
iniisip
part of a
natin,
separate project is the use of our
yung
freeway space in
pagbabago
San
ng
Francisco
freeway
and how to
space,
make that more efficient
kung
and be
paano
able to
mas
move more
maging
people
mahusay
more
yun,
reliably.
ng mas
That's our
mahusay,
San Francisco
yun
Freeway
ang
Management Study,
San
which I
Francisco Freeway
can
Management
provide
Study
you more
na
information about. It's
para
just in the
magbigay ng
very beginning
impormasyon
stages of starting.
dun sa
However, that
pagbabago na
study
ito.
does not
Pero
contemplate
yung pag-aaral
removing
na yun ay hindi
sections of
iniisip
freeway.
na tanggalin yung mga bahagi ng freeway.
Is that possibly
Posible
going to be
ba
studied in the future? Is there
na
a plan for
i-aaral
that?
yun?
We do not currently have any plans to study
Wala kaming
removal
plano
of
na
sections of freeway.
yung
I would
pagtanggal ng
love,
freeway.
if you're interested
Ang
in
gusto,
freeway
kung
management,
interesado ka sa
I
freeway
would
management,
welcome you and your community's engagement in our San Francisco Freeway Management Study. So I would love to share with you, I'll put it in the chat, our website there.
chat
We're
yung
at the
website
very
namin
beginning stages of
dun
that study,
sa,
however, so we don't have any particular dates
so
for
wala kami
outreach
mga
at this
petsa
time,
sa outreach
but
sa
there's
ngayon,
a place where
pero
you can sign up
merong paraan,
to
pwede
be
kayong
a
magrehistro
participant, to be notified
o
about
maging
the work that we do as that starts.
sa ginagawa natin pag nagsisimula yun.
Thank you. That'd be great.
Salamat.
Yes.
Magaling yun.
Griffin, did you have one more question?
Griffin, meron ka pa bang isang tanong?
Yeah,
Oo.
ran out of questions for days here, but appreciate you taking this next one. Is there
Meron bang,
how do we get the
paano
group
ba
to think more specifically about
na isa pang
public transit,
grupo
like Muni, the
sa public
lifeblood
transport,
of
sa
what
Muni,
many public officials
yung
consider
mga
the
ginagamit
moving
ng
heartbeat,
mga opisyal
lifeblood of San
publiko
Francisco.
at saka
And
yung,
the reason why I ask this is
ang dahilan na
because
tinatanong ko ito
we
kasi
saw 2%
nakita
cuts
ko
are
yung
taking place this
2%
summer. Not a lot
nangyari
of people are
nitong
happy about it.
summer na ito. Hindi masaya mga
Actually, I'd
tao.
say the majority of San Franciscans aren't happy about it. And public officials claim that
Ang mga opisyal ng
the
publiko,
easiest way to
sinasabi
get
lang ang
around
pinakamadaling
at
paglakbay
scale or at mass is public transit. And
ay
you look
sa,
at, the rest of the major cities in
kung
the country,
tingnan
I'll
natin
use New York as an
yung
example. They have a
halimbawa,
world-class transit system.
kasi world
And
class
right now,
ang sistema
I feel
nila,
like we're focused on a
pero
lot
sa
of other
ngayon,
things
marami kaming
not
tinitignan
related to
na walang kaugnayan sa
specifically.
Muni.
So my question is
Pero ang tanong ko,
can we
meron
make
bang,
a little bit more emphasis
pwede bang
on
gamitin
Muni
natin ang emphasis dun sa
operations,
pagtakbo ng Muni,
readjusting routes, doubling down on certain routes,
yung
bringing back
pagdoble ng mga
expressway,
ruta,
express routes,
yung mga express
to the
routes,
conversation of this broader plan we're
yung mas
talking about here
malaking
today.
plano na tinitignan natin ngayon.
Yes, I think we would love to
Oo,
talk about those kinds of
gusto
things.
natin pag-usapan yung mga bagay na ganon.
This effort is primarily a investment plan investment plan.
Sa itong plano ng
The kinds
investment,
of things that you're talking about are the things that would fall into the
pero yung
some of it is in the transit operations
yung
enhancements
isa,
category, which is one of our first priorities
yung
to
isang
fund.
prioridad
So
natin,
things like reliability
halimbawa
improvements
yung
and looking at sort of the service levels and making sure
yung
that
mga
it
antas ng
is
serbisyo.
optimized for the
Ito
way our
ang
city is
pinakamahusay
growing and
sa
changing.
paano
And
lumalaki
then
ang
there's
ating,
also, I think, investments we can
at
make
saka meron
in
dong
that
investments
last
na
category
gagawin
about
doon sa
using
pinakahuling
technology to
kategorya
make
sa
things
pagbabago
more
o sa paggagamit ng mga
seamless,
teknolohiya
helping with
para makatulong.
affordability, things like the improvements to the Clipper system,
Yung
for
pagbabago
example.
sa
So those are
sistema
all
ng
things that
Clipper,
we would
halimbawa.
love to
Yun ang mga bagay na
get the
yung parang maging
prioritization on
prioridad
and
at saka
get them sort of high on the funding
so para
list.
tumaas dun
But
sa
I think
listahan ng
specific changes we
papondo.
would have to be working with SFMTA
At
since
saka
they're,
yung kailangan natin
ones who
magtrabaho kay
actually,
SFMTA kasi
operate
sila ang
transit services.
nagpapatakbo ng serbisyo ng transportasyon.
Does that answer your question?
Nasagot ba ang tanong mo?
A little bit. I know
Oo.
SFMTA is a big
Alam
piece of the
ko
puzzle in terms of
malaking
what goes
SFMTA
into
sa
community operations.
sa mga operasyon
I
nila,
guess
pero ang
where I'm trying to get at
ang
is
gusto kong
is
sabihin
again, really
ay
just focusing on muni operations
nagfo-focus ba itong
and
operasyon sa Muni,
continuing to build on the momentum as you saw in the satisfaction surveys last year. I
itong
think there's
survey ng
about,
satisfaction na lumabas kahapon.
if you put out a survey
Pero
today,
kung
I don't
maglakbay
know
kayo,
if
hindi
that
ko
survey
alam
would hold true.
kung yung survey
due to
ay maging
what we've
totoo
seen over the
dahil
last
sa
6
nakikita
months and
natin
how things have been
sa
handled.
itong pinakahuling 6 na buwan.
And when you look into the foreseeable future, come
Pero
November
kung kato sa
2026,
dating na panahon sa Nobyembre ng
SFMTA, the city,
2026,
they're trying to get a ballot
SFMTA,
measure on that
sinubukan
right
nila
now
na may balota
for
doon
transit.
para sa pagtransportasyon.
Who's going to
Sino ba
trust that will
may
continue to
tiwala na
happen?
tutuloy yun?
Even if we did
Kung
spend,
kahit na
or even if we did
naggastos tayo,
do a piece of our taxes
yung mga bus
back to
natin
the system, back to the
dun sa
agency,
sistema, dun sa mga ahensya,
while we're also heading into a massive deficit. So I think working with SFMTA to
yung
really
SFMTA,
identify
ito
within the
para
budget
makita natin dun sa
where,
budget,
at least in the nearer term, next couple of years, you can identify it together where we can get
pwede
budget
nating
from
itukoy kung
without
saan
having
galing yung budget,
to rely on a
kung hindi natin
massive
dapat
benefit
gamitin
towards
yung
buses.
malaking proposition dun sa.
Yeah, thank you for.
Oo, salamat sa
we're definitely,
komento na yon.
as recording all of our
Nirecord
notes of
natin lahat
the
ng
mix.
isasama natin yon.
Do we have any other questions?
Meron pa ba tayong ibang mga katanungan?
I don't know if any of our interpreters had any
Yung mga tagapagsalin, kung
questions
meron
come through
tayong
language channels.
tanong.
Noah has their hand raised as well. Noah, you have a question?
Meron bang tanong?
Yeah,
Wala.
sorry, one more. And it kind
Isa
of comes
pa,
from, again, the revenue.
yung
Just thinking
sa
about
kita
if
lang
we have the deficits
kung meron tayong
and
mga
it's hard, we
kakulangan
need to
at saka
pass
nahirap
these
ito, kailangan
ballot
ipasa ito
measures
mga
or ask the state
balota at
to give
humingi
us
sa
money,
estado
which seems
na
like they
bigyan tayo
don't
ng
really
pera
want to, maybe.
na kahit na ayaw na nila.
In addition to congestion
At saka
pricing,
yung mga
something like a larger parking
paggastos,
pricing plan or some other way to raise revenues from people commuting from the East Bay, the peninsula, to capture those revenues since they aren't taking public transit? Is that something that's being considered? Other ways other than congestion pricing directly?
I think some of those ideas
So yung mga ideya na
being
yun,
discussed in the context of the or were discussed in the context of the Muni Funding Working Group. And I think those are, definitely ideas that we, could think about and put into the mix for, potential future vision revenues. But, we don't have kind of quantification of those yet.
wala pa tayong halaga para sa ganun.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Great. Is that Jamie or Jaime?
Si Jamie, si Jaime ba?
Hi, it's actually Jaime. Thanks,
Si Jaime
thanks for that
ito.
presentation. I just have like a quick
Salamat
question.
ito. Meron akong
I'm
mabilis
looking
na
at,
tanong.
the
Tinitingnan
2050
ko
report,
yung
and I noticed like free
report ng
Muni for Youth, for
2050
example, says the pilot
na
will be
libreng
completed in
Muni
2024 with
patatapos
the
sa
current funding.
2024.
It's 2025. I think it still
Sa
exists. Are
2025
there like,
kasi meron
is
pa.
there assurances that
Meron
like programs
bang
like free Muni for Youth
sistema
or any
para
sort
sa
of like
Muni for Youth
funding for like
o sa
unserved
pagpondo
communities, things
o
like
sa mga
that will
komunidad?
continue as
Ay
part
tutuloy
of this
ito.
plan? The reason why I'm asking is if we're looking for like more revenue options where we increase the costs for like, San
Ito yung
Franciscans for
tataas ng
taxes,
gastos ng mga
especially like if
buwis
we're
ng
doing
San
like a sales
Francisco,
tax, for
lalo na kung
example,
meron
which is like
tayong
a
sales
regressive
tax
tax.
na
How are
agresibo.
like communities that
Kung
will
paano ba
be
ang mga
disproportionately
komunidad
affected?
yung hindi
How do we
maapektuhan,
sort of
kung
like ensure
paano
that,
para
we're paying
tukoy
that
natin
they're
nagbabayad
getting
tayo
something out of like what
na
they're paying
yung
for, if that made any sense. So like primarily for me, I'm
So,
interested
para
in
sa akin,
programs like Free
interesado
Muni
ako
for
sa mga
Youth.
programa
Is there
ng Free
assurances
Mini
that
for
that
Youth.
will continue?
Natutuloy ba
Subsidized
yun?
programs for
Yung
like
mga subsidiya na mga programa
low-income communities, things like that.
sa
Because
mababang
they tend
kita
to be like the first
kasi
things on the cutting
yun
block. And
ang unang
compared to like the
ay
larger budget
kumpara
of
dun sa mas
MTA, for
malaking
example, they're like
budget ng
a small
MTA
amount. And
na
so,
mas
within
mababa
this, are
yun.
there like
So,
assurances that
dun
those
sa ganun,
programs will be
meron bang
funded?
ipopondo ba yung mga programa na yun?
I believe the Free Muni for Youth is
Yung libreng Muni para sa mga kabataan, ito ay
investment plan is
nasa
fully funded.
investment
And
plan.
so
Ay
it's
buo
good to
yung
hear that you
pagpondo
want to
na
prioritize
gusto
that.
ko
And
na maging prioridad
if you
yun.
would also add that to the survey
Mas
response.
maganda yun kung idagdag nyo sa sagot mo sa survey.
And
At,
there are other programs
at
that
meron pa bang
touch on
meron pang
affordability.
ibang
Like I
programa
mentioned, there
tungkol sa
sort of, I think, discount programs.
pag-abot
There's
kaya ng mga
like
diskwente,
Clipper Start and
yung Clipper
those kind
Start
of
at
programs
saka
that
yung iba pa mga
benefit low-income
programa
folks.
para sa mga
And
mahihirap.
I think there are changes
At saka yung pagbabago dun
like
sa
there's this day pass
merong
pilot
day
that I
pass
think
na
could be a
piloto ay
benefit for
pwedeng may
low-income
benepisyo
folks who take transit a lot.
yung
And I think
sumasakay ng
there's a
transportasyon
general
at saka merong
emphasis, as
pangkalahatang
we've been saying,
pag-emphasis na
trying to
sinasabi
make sure that
natin
transit
para
runs
siguraduhin yung mga
well and serves the people who
at
rely
saka
on it. And
nagsisilbi
that
ng mga
is,
tao
not necessarily
ay hindi
sort of
yun
financial thing, but it
hindi yung
allows you
pinansyal
to
pero
rely on
papayag
transit
ito
and not
para
have to,
maabot ito
uh, own a car or
ay para
take
hindi
Uber
kailangan
too
gumamit
often.
ng Uber
So I
na
think those
masyadong
are all things
madalas.
that
Yun ang mga
are investments that we can
investment na
put into the
na pwede natin ilagay sa
and
SFTP
try to
at
make sure
susubukan
that we
natin
address those
na
kinds of
ma-address yung
needs.
mga
We also have a lot of
klaseng
planning
kinakailangan.
programs, and
Marami din tayong mga
planning,
programa sa
plans,
pagpaplano
especially in equity priority
at
communities
saka dun sa
where we can
prioridad ng equity kung
highlight those
saan
kinds of
tayo
needs
natin
and make sure
maha-highlight
they get
itong mga
into
kinakailangan
plans and in
para
line
sa mga
for
plano at
other
saka
funding opportunities.
para sa mga oportunidad ng pagpapondo.
Is that answer?
Yeah, thank you.
Salamat,
I'd
salamat.
like to see more bay passes
Gusto
for a lot
kong
more
mga
folks,
bay
honestly.
pass para
Yeah,
sa
thank
mga
you for that.
salamat. Salamat.
We'll see if
So, tignan natin kung
wait a minute or two to see if anyone has
maghintay
any
ng isang
questions.
minuto
I'm happy
kung
to
mayroong
bring
mga
up,
katanungan.
slides again.
Titignan natin yung mga slides pa
Griffin.
kung wala na.
The one other thing it's not
Yung
so much
isa
a
ka
question,
pa,
but
hindi
more
ito
so a
katanungan, pero
recommendation or
rekomendasyon
suggestion
ito o
on
isang
the surveys.
ito mga tungkol sa
To
survey
me and to a lot of people
sa
I
akin at sa
represent,
maraming tao na
here in San
nirepresenta ko dito
Francisco,
sa San
they feel like
Francisco,
the options are a
parang
little bit
yung mga
skewed.
option ay masyadong maliit.
And they feel like, and I
At saka
feel
parang
like
sa
they
kanila
are
o ako din, para sila ay sinusubukan
they
nila
are trying to get,
na
meaning you guys are trying to get to a specific answer with
parang
these,
gusto nyong
with these,
espesipikong sagot
survey options.
sa ito mga option na survey na multiple choice.
I can give you an example if
At saka
helpful.
meron dong mga halimbawa
But
na
making our streets safer for all.
para maligtas ang mga
What
kalsada
is that?
natin.
What does that exactly mean?
Ano bang ibig sabihin doon?
If we click that answer and put number
Kung
one
click
there,
natin yung
make
sagot na yun,
streets safer for all. What does that entail?
ano bang ibig sabihin nun?
So that's my suggestion and
So
recommendation.
yun ang suggestion ko o rekomendasyon ko
Safer for all, for example, could
para
interpret
maligtas
a lot
para
of
sa lahat. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun?
Yeah, I mean, I think that
Sa tingin ko ay
would
yun ay
well, first of all, I think safety
ang una,
is
ang
core,
kaligtasan
one of our,
ay ito ang
5
pinaka-importante
goals. And
na
so
5
everything we
layunin
do
natin. So lahat ng
is,
ginagawa natin,
you know,
ito
tries
ay
to promote
sinusubukan
safety or
nito para
ensure
mag-promote ng
safety.
kaligtasan.
But I think for that
At saka pero sa
particular
tingin
thing,
ko,
we're
yung para
looking
sa
at
bagay na yon,
safety
itong
for,
kaligtasan
road users,
ng mga
including
gumagamit ng mga
drivers.
daan at
But,
saka yung nagmamaneho.
the statistics are
Ito
that
ang
the
statistiko
more vulnerable,
ay karamihan ng
people
mga
who
vulnerableng
are,
tao ay
injured or
yung
killed
mga
in
nasasaktan o
collisions
namamatay
are
dun sa mga
people who are
pagpangga
either
ay
walking or
ito ay
biking
naglalakad
or
o
rolling
nagbibisikleta
in some other way. So
dun sa
I think the idea is
yung
to
ideya
improve safety for those
na
vulnerable
para
users of the
ipabuti ang kaligtasan
roadways.
ng mga tao dun sa
And
daan.
so that could be
So ang kasama dun,
education programs, it
yung
could be
edukasyon ng programa
infrastructure
at saka yung
upgrades,
infrastruktura
it could be,
at saka
it could be like
ito
better
ang
crosswalks.
yung
So
mas
things that are
magandang
cost effective but improve
pagtawid
safety.
pero binubuti ang kaligtasan.
Maybe Noah, you have another question?
Noah, meron ka bang isang katanungan? Oo, salamat.
Naisip
Naisip ko lang ito kasi merong magandang sinabi si Griffin. At nagtataka ako dun sa survey kasi yung mga pedestrian ay kasi sila ang mamamatay. Kung mas malinaw ito sa survey, yung mga investment, ito ay
be going towards this group of people
pupunta
who
ba
are
ito sa mga
drivers or
grupo ng mga
whatever
tao o
the decision
nagmamaneho
is for that very
o kung ano ba ang
option, but
desisyon
should be maybe more specific
kung
because it
mas
would be a different
espesipiko
process, I
ito
assume,
kasi iba ang
to put safety
proseso
measures in for
kung
pedestrian
may
safety, bike
kaligtasan sa mga
safety,
naglalakad
and
at saka
driving safety,
nagbibisikleta at
since those are
nagmamaneho
different groups.
kasi iba ang
Just
mga
to vote on
grupo.
that, because I thought it was a good
So,
suggestion. For
magandang rekomendasyon yun kay Griffin.
Thank you. I think we can look at that.
Pwede natin tignan yun.
One more example, maybe. I don't mean to hoard the conversation here, but let's say, for example, reduce
Sabihin
delays
natin
on the
kung
freeways
bawasan
and
natin yung
major
pag-antala sa
streets.
freeway at sa malalaking kalsada.
I know not everyone
Alam ko hindi lahat
here or that lives in San Francisco may be paying attention as close as some of us. But we all know what's coming down the potential.
alam natin kung ano mangyari na potensyal sa na darating.
This suggestion has been made
At saka
here
yung
regarding
suggestion,
congestion pricing. Just, if you're going to put a survey out there, get to the point. I'd be curious, what those
so
other
nagtataka
options
ako
are, if there
kung
are
ano
other
mga option,
options,
kung meron pa bang
that
ibang
you're
mga
thinking
option
about to reduce
na iniisip
congestion,
niyo para mabawasan ang congestion
or
o
delays on our streets.
yung paraan sa mga kalsada natin.
So I think
So sa tingin ko,
enough nimbling around the edges and just give us the real options you're all
ibigay
thinking
natin
about.
yung mga option.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Understood. Thank you.
Naintindihan ko. Salamat.
I could offer a suggestion or
Pwede
a,
ako
a thought about that. Some of the other
mag-isip
options. So our
mga
San
iba-ibang
Francisco
option
freeway
sa
study,
mga
for
freeway ng
example, the previous
halimbawa
questioner asked whether it was considering
kung ito
removal
ang
of
isip
freeway
na
segments.
tatakipin
It is
ang mga
not, but some of the
freeway.
things that it is
Pero
considering
ang
is
isang
how to
iniisip
give
ay
priority to high occupancy
kung
vehicles
pagbibigay ng
on
prioridad
our
sa
freeway
mga
system. That's a technique that other places in the Bay Area have used to help buses and other high occupancy, more efficient ways of moving people get through delays more quickly. So that is an example of something that we'll look at in our San Francisco freeway study. It's this San Francisco transportation plan itself does not approve individual projects or develop individual projects. It is an investment
iba-ibang
scenario,
proyekto.
and it
Ito
does
ang isang
look
investment na
to
scenario, pero tinitingnan din
identify
ang
relative needs and
pagtukoy lahat
priorities
ng
for
mga kinakailangan o
types
prioridad
of
ng mga
investments.
klase ng mga investment.
So
So,
the idea of a
ang
high
ideya,
occupancy
kung mataas
treatment
ng
on
pag-okupasyon
our freeway system
dun sa mga freeway na
is
sistema,
not something
ay
that would be
hindi
approved
ito ay
or
aprubahan
designed through
o
this forum,
dinisenyo
but it
dito
is
sa forum na
the
ito.
type of
Pero
investment
itong klaseng
that
investment ay
could be identified and has
maaring
been
matutukoy
identified in our 2022 plan,
at dun sa
the
plano
major
ng
update
2022.
as a
Itong
strategy
bagong
for us to
update
look at.
bilang isang estratehiya na matitingnan natin.
You lost me a little bit there. I got the high occupancy.
So,
subject.
nakita ko yung mataas na okupasyon.
Sure, my
Oo,
apologies. What
so pasensya
I
na.
was trying to say is
So, ang
that,
sinasabi ko ay
prioritizing high
itong
occupancy
prioridad, yung mataas na
vehicles,
okupasyon ng
on
mga
our freeway
sasakyan
system is an
dun sa freeway
example
natin,
of
ito ang isang
something we could look
halimbawa
at
na
for
pwede natin tignan
congestion
para sa
management and
congestion
to seek to improve
o
congestion.
para ipabuti ang congestion.
Got it.
Naiintindihan ko.
Appreciate the context.
Salamat.
If there are no other
Kung wala nang ibang mga
questions,
katanungan, hindi ito ang katapusan kasi pwede kayo mag-email o sa mga updates. Meron pa isang town hall sa Sabado.
I can actually make maybe one more comment.
Meron pa isang komento.
Not a question, but
Hindi tanong,
I think
pero
on the first slide,
dun sa
it went
unang
by
slide,
really quickly.
yung mabilis yun,
I know there was traffic calming
na
on
alam
there.
ko may tropiko.
I am 110%
110% ako
and safety in general,
tungkol sa
whether it's
kaligtasan,
public safety.
pero sa kaligtasan ng publiko o ng pedestriano.
But the one thing I would
Pero yung isang,
leave out of the plan,
hindi ko sasama sa plano.
this is because I've heard
Kasi ito ang narinig ko
hundreds of people
ng mga isang daan na tao na nagreklamo.
say it's confusing,
Ang sabi nila nakakakalito.
and it's actually
At
more
saka,
likely to cause a traffic
pinakalalo
jam
na
than the former design of the street.
yung dating disenyo ng kalsada.
I would highly encourage
Ito ang
the removal
rekomendasyon
of
ko
any
na
idea of a
pagtanggal ng
down
ideya
on the streets of San Francisco.
Thank you.
Salamat.
You bet. Thank you.
Okay, salamat.
All right. So, if there are no other
Kung wala nang ibang
questions or
mga
comments, I think
komento o
we'll
katanungan,
thank you for your time this
salamat sa
evening,
inyong
for all the good
panahon
questions,
nito,
and
yung mga
thank you,
magagaling na mga
also
tanong, at
especially to
salamat
our
din
interpreters, George,
sa mga
Dennis, and
tagapagsala
Elizabeth,
natin, si George,
for
Dennis,
helping
at
us
Elizabeth,
tonight.
sa pagtulong ngayon.
And please do fill in the survey.
So if
Tell your friends
kumpleto
and
ninyo mga
family.
survey, sabihin nyo sa pamilya ninyo,
And feel free to
at
email
saka
us.
I'm gonna just chime in. I didn't get a I didn't realize you were wrapping up right now. Just piggybacking on what Rachel
gusto ko yung
said.
sabi ni Rachel,
There's often
madalas
in these
may
meetings we
sa mga meeting
hear
na ito,
this
narinig
isn't a
natin,
plan, this
hindi
is a
ito plano,
preliminary concept of a
preliminary na
plan
konsepto ng
about
plano
something
ito
that we'll be
tungkol
working
sa
towards in the future.
ginagawa natin sa dating na
And I
panahon.
understand how
Naintindihan ko
you know, you
kung
need to just sort of
kailangan
surface
nyo
some ideas.
i-surface yung mga ideya. Pero
When, you know, there's
kapag
things move
may mga
fast in
mabilis
City Hall and
sa City Hall at
SFMTA
saka sa
and there's
SFMTA,
turnover, and as soon as something is on paper, it is then often
Pag nalagay na sa
utilized
papel,
as
madalas ginagamit
a
na isang
point of
bilang
reference in the future,
doon sa darating
as
na
though
panahon.
this was this was already approved.
Ito ay naaprubahan na.
And so
So,
there needs to be some sort
meron dapat
of
may isang
a real
na totoong
if it's not a plan,
kung hindi
if it's not an
plano,
investment strategy,
kung hindi
there
ito
needs to be
estratehiya
a
ng investment,
precursor that says we will
kahit
not be using this has absolutely no impact in the future
walang
on
itong epekto sa darating
anything.
na panahon sa kahit
Because that's
anuman.
what kind of comes
Kasi
across in these
yun
meetings is
ang
that
narinig ko
don't
sa mga
worry
meeting
about
na ito.
it. This is
Huwag kayo
just sort of an
mag-alala.
idea and a
Parang
brainstorm,
ideya
and we're
lang
thinking
ito.
about it.
Iniisip
But then,
natin, pero
something comes along and
merong nangyayari
it's approved, and then
na
2 years later it
aprubahan.
comes down
So
the
pagkatapos
pipeline,
nun,
and then they, everyone says, well, regarding our, the SFCTA town hall held on
tungkol sa
June
town hall ng
4th, this was discussed,
CTA,
and
pinag-usapan ito at
this is sort of
ito ang
something that
parang
we had thought would
yung
work, and
naisip namin
then it's
na
pointed to as sort of like community outreach, and that
so
everyone
naging
is kind of
community
involved in
outreach
the idea
ito
of the
at nadamay
plan.
ito sa
And
plano. At
it seems a
ito
little, it just
parang
feels it's not, I know it's not the
alam
intention
ko
to be
hindi ito yung
misleading,
intention,
but it's easy
parang madali
for
ito
people in the future to
sa mga dating na
justify
panahon
whatever
para
they
ma-justify
want
yung
to
gusto
kind of
nilang
move it through
iurong
based
ito
on discussions
patay
that
doon sa
people
usapan
originally thought were
na akala ng
simply
mga tao na
brainstorms.
simple brainstorm
So
lang.
I did want to
So,
just have that on the
gusto ko lang
record.
sabihin yun sa ulat.
Thank you, Ms. Wah. Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes, that's
Ms. Wall,
correct.
tama
Thank
ba?
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Tama,
hard to
salamat.
get right. People often do not get it right. So thank you so much.
Salamat.
Thank you for sharing that. And I do,
Salamat sa pagbahagi nun. So,
at risk of repeating maybe something that Swanee already described, our
ito,
process
iulitin ko yung
here,
sinabi. Ang proseso namin dito,
this will be used,
antong
this
gagamitin
plan
natin, itong
is to
plano,
prioritize
itong prioridad,
sort of large
yung
buckets of
malaking
dollars.
mga
Is the way this
lalagyan
will
ng
be
dolyar.
used.
Ito ang gagawin
And
natin.
also to
At saka din,
tell the
para
region
masabi natin sa rehiyon
what San Francisco's
kung
sort of
ano ang
major investment
parang
priorities are. That's the key ways this will be used.
yun ang paggamit
I take on
natin.
board your comment and your
Alam ko,
concern. What we will do
pero
with
ang
this
gagawin
is
natin
bring back
sa
to our
ganito,
board at the midpoint an
yung
update
sa
to
pun
them
natin
about
at
what
sa
we've heard
kung anong
in
narinig
this phase
natin
of
dito
outreach.
sa
And I do
outreach.
want to be held accountable
So gusto
for
kong
making
maging
sure
accountable
that
para
when we
siguraduhin
present
ko
to our board, here's
pag
what we've
napresenta
heard,
natin
that
ang
you
lupon, ito ang
hear,
narinig natin, na
the
marinig
feedback
ninyo ang
that you're saying,
feedback sa sinasabi ninyo
that we present that
na
faithfully to what we've
ipresenta
heard. So
natin
I please hold me accountable for that. That we share the feedback
na isi-share namin yung feedback
that we hear
na
to
rinig
our
namin
board, and
sa
then
lupon
when we
namin.
move on, into the next steps of the process, which is to propose updates to the
So
investment
na-propose
scenario and the
natin
vision
yung sa
scenarios,
investment scenario.
that we do report back. Here's
So
our
i-report
proposed
natin
updates
ito
and
ang
why,
updates namin
based
at kung
on both
bakit
our technical
patay
analysis. So
sa
it will be based
analysis
both
ng
on
technical,
technical analysis
patay
and
ito sa analysis
what we
ng
hear from
technical,
community. So
at
please,
saka ang narinig namin sa komunidad.
I appreciate and I
So
respect
nagpapasalamat
your
ako
point
at
there, and
nagrespeto ako
want to just
sa
offer
punto
to,
mo at gusto kong ialok ito
be accountable to reporting
para
back what
accountable
we
ako sa
hear to our
pag-report
board.
ng narinig natin sa lupon.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. And
Salamat.
we can wrap up.
Pwede nating
One thing. There's a
tapusin
question
ito. Meron pang isang katanungan sa chat kung si Rachel ang sinasabi niya sa SFCTA sa lupon. Yun ang sinasabi ni Rachel para malinaw. Salamat, Griffin, sa katanungan.
Okay. So
Okay.
I think Daniela has put in the chat the link.
Nilagay ni Daniela yung link dun sa survey ulit
So you don't miss it.
para hindi nyo mawalan.
And we do
At
thank
saka
you again for all your time.
magpapasalamat kami
And
sa
it is
panahon
the
ninyo.
evening,
So
we
gabi
really
na.
do appreciate your
So salamat sa inyong
joining us
pagsasali
and for your feedback.
at sa feedback ninyo.
So,
So,
with that, I think we can close
sa ngayon,
this.
pwede nating isara itong meeting.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you, everybody, for your
Salamat
time
sa
this
inyong lahat,
evening and your
sa inyong
thoughtful
panahon,
questions.
at saka yung mga katanungan niyo.